Hello, my dears. I have a question for you. Firstly, I want to ask from group number 1, who aren't from Azerbaijan. Please take a moment and try to remember. Have you heard about education system in Azerbaijan or the universities in Azerbaijan? Please try to remember. And now group number 2, who are Azerbaijanians. Are you satisfied with the rules in Azerbaijan universities? Now imagine that you are a student. You should wake up at 6 o'clock, then you should use public transportation, and you're in a rush hour, and your travel in traffic takes about 2 hours. Then you are in university, 90 minutes lesson waiting for you, and most of them are general education. Are you satisfied with this imagination? Of course not. In Azerbaijan, the university students face some difficulties. They are the duration of lessons, number of general education, and the not having students delivery buses. Duration of lesson. Duration of lesson at the universities are about 75 or 90 minutes. Now, I again want to ask a question. If I spoke now about 75 minutes, would you like to listen to me? Of course, no. There were international survey around the world that who the students share their ideas about the question. How much time a student can focus on at a lesson at a time? The result of this survey showed that it is unrealistic to focus on more than 45 minutes at a time. Now, is it possible to focus on a lesson about 90 minutes? Of course, no. And this action has a bad results on students. They sleep at the lectures. They can't concentrate on the whole lecture. And as a result, they have low academic achievements. But itself, again, the solution of the problem is so simple. Just reduce the length of lecture and increase the number of lectures. I mean that if a student have 290 minutes lecture, it's about 180 minutes, yeah? And now make it like this, for 45 minutes lecture, and 2 of them before the afternoon, and 2 of them after the afternoon. And in the afternoon, the students should have a big break time for relax. And of course, this method will work successfully. The second problem is the number of general education. And not depending on your specific faculty, you should take these courses. They are writing, religion, philosophy, natural science, social science, humanities, global studies, and then. And as a result, the students lose their time for major courses. And the students also have low academic achievements because these general courses itself again requires from the student general knowledge. But the solution of this problem are so simple. Just decrease the number of general education and increase the number of major courses. Now, for example, now I am a computer science student, but I take some courses such as philosophy, ethics, sociology, psychology, humanities, history, literature, science, etc. But my faculty is computer scientist. I should the courses such as programming, artificial intelligence, and data mining, machine learning, and etc. Not this sociology, philosophy, and etc. And as a result, I lose my time. And I can't do my major courses very well. The third problem is not having students delivery buses. Again, the situation is like that. Most of the universities are located in Baku. Baku itself is a small city. but more than 2 million people lives there. And in the mornings, they should use public transportation such as buses, subways, etc. And most of them go to their work, some of them to the schools, the universities, and somewhere else. And as a result, if you want to come to the university, you should try to get onto the bus with hardly, because most of the people are here. And they even can allow you to enter the bus or to the subway. And even in the subway, there is a danger that if someone push you to the railway of the subway, you can die there even. And what's the result of this action? The students lose their time at public transportation, and sometimes they are late for the lessons. And if they would have many absence, as a result, the university taken them out from the university. But the solution is so simple. The university should buy the buses for the students, and the fare of these buses should be less than the subways or the buses fare. And at the end, I want to say that it is a time to change our universities. And it is a time to improve the regulations in our universities. Thank you so much for watching this.